Spoiler alert, it's up to you. Hi everyone, it's Dan Hodges with you again from the Johnny Appleseed Park District. Thanks for joining me. This video finishes up our third virtual day camp, all about bugs this week. We focused on Lepidoptera, that's moths and butterflies. I hope that you enjoyed some of our videos this week. We'd love for your feedback. Let us know what you think in the comments below or send us a message. Did you watch our videos? Would you watch our videos if? We'd love to hear from you. I figured we'd end this week with a little bit about what you can do in your own yard to help butterflies and moths too. These are really important animals, not just because they're beautiful, and certainly they're good pollinators, but mainly because their food, just about everything, eats caterpillars. Do you like birds? Well, you gotta like caterpillars because birds absolutely depend on them to raise the next generation. So whether you like lepidopterans because they're beautiful or because their food, a huge amount of terrestrial food chains depend on these little guys, well, they're in trouble. Almost all of our caterpillars eat a very specific group of plants. A group of plants that the caterpillar has a long history with, that they've developed the ability to cope with the plant's chemical defenses. The problem is, we're not planting those plants. Our culture seems fixated on filling our gardens with non-native, often invasive plants that our caterpillars just can't eat. And I'm not talking about defoliation or the bad bugs that cause lasting damage. I'm talking about the foundation of the food web, the ecosystems in our areas. But if we're going to keep these important animals around, if we want to have a functioning ecosystem, I'll let you in on a little secret. We ourselves depend on having a functioning ecosystem. If nature is going to survive, then we're going to have to decide that nature isn't something that's somewhere else. It's right here in our backyards. And it starts with you and me. And we can begin just by planting some native plants. You've got one in your camp kit, a few seeds from Blazing Star. Sow those this fall, and hopefully you'll be able to see some really beautiful flowers next spring. But you can also check out the Backyard for Butterflies brochure that you have in your camp kit as well. If you didn't get a camp kit, that's okay. A lot of these resources you can find online. One really good resource is called Native Plant Finder. Look up Native Plant Finder and you'll be able to see what plants are going to be most beneficial in our area. You can also look up the National Wildlife Federation's Backyard Habitats. The National Audubon Society has great resources as well. Or you could read a couple of books by Doug Tallamy. I really appreciate his book, Bringing Nature Home. Also, Nature's Best Hope. It's you and me. We can do this. Once you've done your research, then get outside and plant it. Maybe get rid of just a little bit of that green carpeted wasteland we like to call lawn in your yard. And then you can start enjoying butterflies, moths too, right in your own backyard. So thanks for joining me, and don't forget to get outside.